Okay, so today we're going to learn about an 18 megapixel camera. So, if you use an 18, why use phone to record instead of an 18 megapixel camera? I mean, look at it. Because, look, if you get an 18 megapixel camera, look at it. Look at that. An 18 megapixel camera. What's the thing? This is the Red 18 megapixel camera from Doe? No. Ardo system. This is where it gets imported by the USB. And to take a picture, well, here's what it would sound like if an 18 megapixel camera. Why you don't use these? Because why you don't use these for videos? I mean, the video would sound great, the sound, the quality, the camera quality would be great, but the sound, listen to the sound.
Hey guys, my name is Andrew T1235, and today we're going to learn about computers and animations and cities. Hope we get a computer out.
That's just how bad the sound sounds like. Just listen. Look how bad that sound is. I'm recording this in the year 2021, so that's just how bad the sound quality like that is. If you take a look, it's like literally this camera. We're talking about this camera. I mean, it's a good shaped camera, but it has bad video sound quality, like terrible sound quality. You're not gonna like the sound quality of it. It's not that good. Probably like 10s or 2000s. This camera. I got it off Amazon, but I'm still gonna keep this camera. I don't know when I'm gonna take pictures of it, but it takes a good picture. Watch it take a picture. Look at this picture. And today, learn about that stuff. And today, beat stick. Watch the song. It has a blue screen saying goodbye. And here's my purposes of being great. And the reason why I make these videos, make them on Movie Maker 10. So if you like and subscribe for more Andrew T1235, I'll see you on my next video. So bye.